Ever wonder why some people always see the negative? Well, it's not as simple as one might think. Our brains have evolved over millennia to prioritize survival above all else. This survival instinct is deeply rooted in our biology, causing us to focus more on threats and negative experiences. This negativity bias was crucial for early humans who needed to be constantly aware of dangers in their environment to stay alive. However, in today's world, this bias can lead us to dwell on negative aspects of our lives, even when they are not life-threatening. Negative thinking patterns can often be traced back to our upbringing, past experiences, or societal influences. If a person grows up in an environment where negative feedback is more common than positive reinforcement, they may develop a habit of focusing on the negative. Similarly, past experiences that were particularly traumatic or challenging can leave a lasting impact, making it difficult to break free from a cycle of negativity. Society also plays a role, as media and cultural narratives often emphasize negative stories, reinforcing these patterns. Cognitive distortions are another factor that can cause individuals to habitually engage in negative thinking. These are mental habits that skew perception, leading people to interpret situations in a more negative light than is warranted. For instance, someone might engage in catastrophizing, where they imagine the worst possible outcome in any given situation. Such distortions can become automatic, making it challenging for individuals to see the positive aspects of their lives. The first step in changing this outlook is to recognize these negative thought patterns and challenge their validity with evidence. By identifying when you are engaging in negative thinking, you can begin to question whether these thoughts are truly reflective of reality. Gathering evidence that contradicts these negative thoughts can help to weaken their hold, allowing for a more balanced perspective. Practicing gratitude daily is another powerful tool in shifting focus from negativity to positivity. By consciously acknowledging the positive aspects of life, no matter how small, you can gradually train your brain to notice and appreciate the good. This practice can be as simple as writing down 3 things you are grateful for each day, helping to cultivate a more positive mindset over time. Reframing negative situations by looking for opportunities for growth or learning is another effective strategy. Instead of viewing challenges as insurmountable obstacles, try to see them as chances to learn and grow. This shift in perspective can transform how you experience difficulties, turning them into valuable life lessons rather than sources of stress or despair.